How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. So if you want to resize your videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application, and after that go with a new project. Once you tap on new project, now you can simply select the project or the video in which you would like to resize. So for example, I'll be choosing a video and then go with add, which is on the bottom right. Once you've added, now if you want to resize the video, like if you have a video which is horizontal or vertical, anything like that, and then if you want to resize your video for YouTube Shorts, then what you need to do is just select the video and go with transform option. Or if you don't have the transform option, then what you need to do is just go with the aspect ratio. Tap on aspect ratio, and the best ratio for YouTube Shorts is 9:16. If you choose 9:16 and your video isn't fitting there, then you can just simply zoom in. And once you zoom in, then you'll be able to resize your video for YouTube Shorts. And it's the same for TikTok also. So you can either go with 9:16, or you can also choose a similar one, but the perfect one is 9:16. So simply choose 9:16. And once you've chosen, you can zoom in or enlarge that and then adjust it. And after that, simply play the video. And once you've played, if it's looking good and if you think that the images or the video is fitting perfectly, then it's okay. But if you think that it's going right side or left side, then what you can do is just go and split your video. Just select the video and then go with split, which is on the bottom left. And then again, go with the right side or the left side that you would like to show. So do that and then again play the video. And you can see that it will show everything. So that's how you can resize your videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.